Welcome to Buddy's Play World, where every day is a play day. Hello, little friends. Are you ready to guess the fruit? I'll show you a fruit and give you one fun clue. Can you guess what it is? Let's start. I am red, round, and crunchy. What fruit am I? Take a guess. I am an apple. Good job. I'm yellow and monkeys love me. What fruit am I? I am a banana. Excellent. I'm round, orange, and full of vitamin C. Guess the fruit. I am an orange. Great job. I wear a crown made of spiky green leaves. Can you guess? I am a pineapple. Good job. I'm red, sweet, and covered in tiny seeds. Guess the fruit. I am a strawberry. Excellent. I look like a teardrop, and I'm sweet and soft. Can you guess? I am a pear. Good job. I'm green outside and red inside. What fruit am I? Take a guess. I am a watermelon. I'm the king of fruits in the summer. Can you guess? I am a mango. Yummy! I'm brown and fuzzy on the outside, green inside. What fruit am I? I am a kiwi. Excellent! I have a spiky pink skin. Can you guess? I am a dragon fruit. Great job! You did amazing, fruit guessers. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun. See you next time. Bye-bye.